In this video we will see how to add, delete and modify a field on News 4. To add a field, go to Options, select Fields and click plus. You have to set the required parameters. A fundamental parameter is the name of the table in which to create the field type to create. Each type of field has parameters to set. We will see the specifics of each field in the next video. Field label is the name that is displayed in the interface. Column label is the name that is displayed when the field is in a column. And field name is the unique name assigned to the field that is automatically inserted when the field label is inserted. Once the parameters have been set, it will be enough to save. To edit a field, just search for it, double-click, make changes and save. To delete a field, just select it, click Menus and confirm. For any information or concern, do not hesitate to contact us at info@news4.com. Thank you for watching the video. We wish you a good work and we will refer you to the next video.